Hi everyone, we have a new release. Within this new release of Quantify, you have a barcode grouping feature. This means you can create all different types of kit lists under one barcode. So let's take a look on how to set this up. Right, to create your grouped barcode for your kit lists, this can be simply done by going into Tools. You'll have a new section here for barcode groups. Click in here. It'll give you a dialog box with all the information of previous ones created, as you can see here. To create a new one, click on this plus sign here. Give it a name. So I'm just going to call this starter kit. You can give a description on what information is needed in regards to this grouped barcode. Now to add in the products, I click on this plus sign again. And then on this drop down, I have all the parts available within my Quantify. So I can go through and choose any parts that I need in regards to what's going in this kit. So I've just chosen some standards and now it'll ask me for quantities, as you can see here. Simply type in how many I need 4 of them. So what I can do now is either I can accept this as just 4 standards in this barcode group, or I can add new products into this by just clicking add. So if I'm happy with what I've got in so far, click OK. If I need to add more in, just click on this add next. Same dialog box again. I can search for the part what I'm looking for, or I can just start typing in this section here. So I'm looking for my starter collars. Quantities again, so I need 4 of them. Add next for that one, and then I need some base jacks. There you go. Now I can click OK on this. There's my parts, as you can see there. I can click OK. Now I've completed that, I can go in, do a report to get the actual barcode for my grouped products for this one here, and this will show up previous ones I've created. So I've created a 4 meter by 257 staircase. This is all my kit needed for my staircase, and there's my barcode for that staircase. So I can print these off now. Let's use this barcode. Now I'm going to do my reserve kit. So for this one I'm going to reserve my 4 meter staircase. So I'm going to jump into my job site. I'm going to create a reservation. Here's my reservation ticket. I'm going to choose when it's going. It's going on the 10th, into products, and then I'm going to click on all. So this is all the components that I have within my Quantify. Now I'm going to scan my barcode, and there the products have been added. So if I go from show all to show parts on shipment, and there you go, that's everything I have for my staircase that's needed. And as you can see, it shows you what I've got available, which I've got none available within my stock. So I need to order these in, ready to make this reservation happen. And there you go, that's everything created using one barcode to automatically add in multiple parts at once. And if you'd like to know more regarding this process, please reach out to our support team today. Thanks for watching.